Hello guys, so I'm going to show you in this video how you can create mockups in in Midjourney, alright? So it's pretty simple. So what you have to do pretty much is just to write mockup empty. So inside the object here in kitchen, we don't want to have anything inside. But that's not a good example. This is the example I would like to show you. Blank iPhone screen, mockup empty, a close environment, a beautiful kitchen, emphasizes on mockup. You can be creative as you want. You can, let's say, iPhone screen, lying on a table, lying face down, or you can, as I said, you can create this as you like to. You can be creative. Now you can remove the text here. That's for sure. In Photoshop, it's not very hard. In other programs, you can remove it as well. And blank screen sitting on a table, mock-up, close environment, beautiful kitchen, emphasize on mock, or this one that I like more, mock-up empty, blank table with roses sitting beside it. Pretty cool, right? You have a lot of variations here. Also this one, empty black iPhone screen, flat lay on a table surface surrounded by roses. We have this as well. This looks beautiful, I think. Black smartphone, blank smartphone, mockup empty on a wood desk with roses, photorealistic cinematic lighting. This looks fantastic. Here guys, after you save, select which one you like to use. Just save the image. Then after you generate the one that you consider looks the best and has the features, the details that you want to use for your project, then download the image. And if you go to PhotoPay, this online app, you can here remove the background, and it's very easy. As you can see, I added this picture here behind, and it's super easy. Now, why this um, image generated looks awful is because I just took a screenshot. So don't worry, yours will look way better because you have to generate this one, select which one you like, and then you can also upscale of it, whatever. But I just wanted to show you fast. So if you want to remove the background, what you have to do is to go to select magic cut, and here just use select here red, and this is what you want to keep, right? So just paint with red the thing that you want to keep. So obviously we want to keep everything here. We don't want to remove. Sorry, actually use use user green to keep. If there's something you want to keep, just paint with green. Okay, and then we paint with red this part, all right? Okay, green, red. Okay, we want with red everything, and then, excuse me, and then with red we want this part. Okay, but I already, okay, I actually have to, excuse me 1 second, to, where is it, mouse, okay, the first one so I can show you correctly. Okay, if you go to select, magic cut, and now let's increase the brush. Okay, we want to keep this and remove this with red. Okay, we want to remove. Well, you can hold Alt, decrease the size, and then you can do here so it looks perfect. So that's what I did, guys, to remove the black or whatever is inside the phone, so you can add your mockup. Okay, and that's what you have to do. Now you have to finish this, but I don't want to make this video too long. But I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.